What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Analytics with Mailchimp. So first head over to the Google Analytics website, and after that you need to click on this top here on the left side, and then here you will see your analytics account. After that you need to click on this analytics account, and then this is the one that we want to keep it here. And after that you just need to leave it here, and then in the new tab you need to open Mailchimp, and then you need to log in with your Mailchimp account. After coming to Mailchimp, you need to click on your profile, and then you need to search for integrations. But if you can't search for integrations, on the left side you will see the integrations option. Click on this, and after clicking here in the search bar, type in Google Analytics. And after that, as you can see the Google Analytics extension, click on this. And after that, a button of connect will appear. From here, click on this connect button. And after that, this will ask you for granting the permission to connect Google Analytics to Mailchimp. As you can see, the Google integration has been successfully set up, and my Google Analytics is connected to Mailchimp. So this is how you connect your Google Analytics to your Mailchimp. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.